Is your Optus Fetch box stuck on the starting screen? Don't worry, it's a common issue and often fixable with a few simple steps. The problem usually stems from software glitches or power interruptions. We'll guide you through the most effective solutions, starting with the easiest: power cycling, cable checks, and finally, a factory reset. Remember, start with the least invasive method to avoid unnecessary data loss, as tech experts emphasize. First, perform a power cycle. Unplug your fetch box from the power outlet, wait 30 to 60 seconds, and plug it back in. This forces a hard reset, clearing temporary memory issues. Next, check your cables. Inspect the HDMI, power, and Ethernet cables for damage or loose connections. A faulty cable can interrupt the signal and cause boot failures. Swapping a frayed HDMI can resolve it immediately. As a last resort, try a factory reset. While the fetch box is powered on, hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. This will restore the device to its original settings, erasing all customizations and apps. Remember to reset up your accounts afterwards. Optus has released firmware update 3.2.1 in June 2025, which has reduced the issue for some users. So be sure to update to the latest firmware if possible.